request po natin sa DPWH sa Singapore ito, isama
Huwag mong pagdikitin yung mata mo. Maduduling ka dyan.
Ulo ko. Look at this, Wawa. Oh, look at this. Tingnan mo to.
Wow!
Look oh. Wawa. Wow. Wawa, look at this. I'm small.
Po yung mga information sa opisina ni Senator Erwin Tulfo at makakaasa po kayo na
Oo, tingnan mo to.
sana ito namin ang investigation.
Tingnan mo to. Ulo ko.
Oo, alam ko na yan. Huwag mo nang kaganyan, maduduling ka.
Chair, for the city construction companies that you mentioned, you can confirm that
Mm.
there are also in that
Fish.
filing the necessary cases regarding this structural fund.
You're referring to EGP and
EJP and Wawa.
Thank you.
One item for the Secretary. So research po namin yung Philippine Competition Act. And the PCC can file based on administrative complaint or fines on those engaged in bid rigging at a fine of 100 to 250 million per instance. Kung 600 po yung kontrata natin, that's 600 times 100 billion or 250 million. Aabot ka ng 150 billion pesos in fines. And you only need substantial evidence, not evidence beyond a reasonable doubt because it's administrative.
Ulo ko.
So I suggest po that the executive
Ulo ko. Ulo ko. Ulo ko. Ulo ko.
Oo, ganyan talaga yan.
It's a worm running.
Tayo po ay immediately po makikipag-usap kay Mike Aguinaldo.
Oh, can you do something?
I don't know.
Pag ganyan lang do like this.
Ikaw na lang. Hindi ko alam yan.
Mag-make ka lang something.
Upon award is already an evidence of the lady. So nandito na po lahat ng mga kailangan po na ebidensya dito po sa ating meeting.
Maraming salamat po. Ang gagalan po natin po.
Yes, Senator Pangilinan. Yes, now you will address your question to the two gentlemen.
Ulo ko.
Hmm.
And when you compare with the BCC, maraming salamat po. Ipiitin po natin. Na-action po tayo agad. Maraming salamat.